Welcome to the second video of Java Under the Hood about the keyword static. In the previous demo I explained the use of static properties. In this demo I'll focus on static methods and explain the difference between a non-static or instance method and a static method. I'll use the same class bank account as in a previous demo. For those of you who haven't watched my demo, here's a quick review. So the class has three properties: the name of the customer of type string, the balance of type float, and a static property, interest rate of type float. Then two methods I'm interested in: an instance non-static method setBalance and a class static method setInterestRate. The client code I'll execute will first call the static methods, then the instance method. Let's see what happens in memory. The stack frame of the main method is set up. And let's start with a method call of the bank account setInterest. As setInterest is a static method, no object reference is needed in order to invoke this method. Instead, the name of the class is used. Now, this statement will do two things. First, when the runtime bumps into the first usage of the bank account class, the JVM class loader loads the class file in a method area and allocates memory for static variables in the method area as well, and initializes them to their default value. In our example, interest rate will be initialized to its default value of 0, and this will happen only once. Second, as setInterestRate is invoked, a new stack frame is created for the method, to which we pass the rate of 0.05. Since static methods are not linked to any particular instance, we don't have a dispointer in a static method, meaning that we can't access the instance variable of an object such as customer or balance. Inside the method, in order to prevent a naming conflict between the static property and the name of the parameter that bears the same name, we do so by using the bank account.intrate syntax. So we use the name of the class here. This statement will change the value in the method area. The method has finished and we return to the main method. So far for invoking a static method. How about invoking a non-static method? We first create the bank account object for Bob. Note that the interest rate property is not part of the object. Then invoking setBalance. This time, since setBalance is a non-static or instance method, we need to use a reference variable, in this case account1. A stack frame is created for setBalance. The dispointer is initialized with the value of ac1, the value of the object reference we are currently using, and the dispointer is always located at the first position in the local variables array. Then the parameter is initialized with a value of 80 at the second position in the local variables array. Now, accessing the balance property, which is part of the object on the heap, can only be done via the dispointer, using the dis.dot syntax. When executing the statement, the value of the parameter is assigned to the balance of the object, dis.balance. The method has finished and we return to the main methods. Now, invoking an instance method is explained in detail in another video. Click on the link for more information. To resume, a static method, since not linked to any instance, is invoked using the name of the class and doesn't have a dispointer. An instance method, since invoked using an instance variable, has a dispointer whose value points to the same object as the reference variable that is currently being used for invoking the methods. Okay, that's it for this demo. I hope you have a better understanding about static and instance methods. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.